Hello and welcome to my course on Data Science and Machine Learning with Python. I am Ankit Mistry and I will be your instructor in this course. I have been teaching on Udemy from last 3 to 4 years and have been associated with software industry from last 1 decade. So why data science and why Python? If you can see a Harvard Business Review, data scientist is one of the 21st century's sexiest job, and the popularity of this Python has almost skyrocketed in last few years. So that's why I have created a complete course on data science and machine learning. So do you want to learn about 10 plus different data science related skills in a one single course? If the answer is yes, you are at the right place. So let's just have a look at the course curriculum. So we will begin with the Python distribution Anaconda installation, and we'll go through the Python crash course for all those who want to just refresh their knowledge. Then we'll move towards a NumPy, a numerical Python library, data processing, data analysis library, a pandas library, where we are going to cover a whole range of topics related to data analysis. Then we'll move towards some of the visualization library like Plotly, and then we have a Matplotlib, we have a Tableau BI tool, and some of the topics related to data pre-processing like how to handle your missing data, how to deal with those categorical data, and many more things. Feature selection, one of the very important steps before throwing all your data into a machine learning. Exploratory data analysis. Data transformation, how to do scaling in a machine learning data. Web scraping, and there are many more topics related to machine learning, big data, and all those prerequisites required for you to dive into a data science and a machine learning. To get to know about much more detail about the course content, you can just have a look at the course web page. Apart from that, we'll dive into a machine learning crash course, different machine learning algorithm like k-nearest neighbor, linear regression, logistic regression, and some of the big data technology like a PySpark, Apache Spark, how to set up your data science lab inside the cloud, and some of the fields which are highly related to a data science like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, mathematics. And for all those of you who just want to refresh their concept related to probability and statistics, I have just kept a 3 dedicated section at the end of this particular course. So this course contains 150 plus HD quality video having a 15 plus hours of course content. There is always question answer forum, so if you do not get anything, you can always ask in a question answer forum. After completion of this full course, you will get certificate of completion which you can share on your social media platform. And Udemy always gives you a 30 days money back guarantee. So there is nothing to lose at your end. So what are you waiting for? Just hit on enroll and dive into a data science world, and I will see you inside the class.